SMF Street Traders, here is Fedex. It happens to be a leader in that Dow Transports. That's right here on the monthly, weekly, and daily charts that we did on the other video. Today's date is 9/12. They're going to report earnings on September 16th, and all eyes are going to be on Fedex. Now, as far as the monthly chart goes, you can see what happens when a monthly sell signal starts here. Now, if FedEx says that they're not shipping as much, and if they guide down lower, we are struggling with a declining four. It's kind of like this, kind of like what your Dow Transport chart says. You've got a major topping pattern right here. 1, 2, 3 months there. Used to be resistance, is new resistance over here where you broke below down here, and you had a double month price action, but you have a severe problem right here. The SMF monthly bar at resistance is there. As long as FedEx is trading below here, we're not moving higher. You got to close above this upper trend line. The bearish part, as I open this chart up a little bit more for you, and let's make it clear for 2010 monthly bars, that 40 month is resistance. It's declining. That means that that momentum off of the low is extremely weak. Not only that, the other very concerning part, SMF Street, is that you're declining on the 40-month moving average that crossed over very significant 100-month and the 10-month. So basically, we're at about 63.14 monthly percent DS. We do have a bullish monthly CCI, which is good. So the problem that I'm having is with the monthly MACD is I'm having a problem here with this MACD. And the reason why I'm having a problem is that I am not ascending. I came off of 0.2. Yes, it went to 0.629. The problem that I'm having is that when we were over here, we were 0.8. Here we're 0.6. That's a lower high in this MACD reading. If I cannot continue to get back above 0.8 on a monthly MCD, which is called moving average convergence divergences, that I'm going to have a very hard time wanting to hold this long at resistance. I would be looking at the short side of this with the put side involved, because price action failure will fail. And we have a major topping pattern still in play. This was right here, the double price action here. Just remember though that the momentum, we have a mathematical momentum indicator that is used with monthly moving averages along with weekly and daily, and I can tell you right now that when that 40 month which is this blue line has been descending, meaning descending in its value reading. Let's take a look. Let's move this over here. Let's take a look at our calculations. The 40-month moving average SMF Street is 80.28. When you decline means going down in value, and these monthly or any moving averages, that means that the uptrend, even though you're making it as a trade to go long, but the problem is, it's one time to get short is that they're going to fail. Bottom line. And let's take a look at the 50-month, which is 86.17. The prior month, we were at 88. We went to 87.8, 87.3, 86.5, and 86.1. We have a master system that SMF Street put together as far as understanding longer-term trend structures. So that's why we're not breaking this last month high here on 8/1. We came down. The bullish part is that half of that bar right here, this monthly bar, was on 7/1 when the rally started off of the bottom, when we came back off of the 4th of July. That's ultimately the ending support. What I want the SMF Street traders to know is, why do trends fail? Because of what I'm telling you right now with those monthly moving averages and the price action. If the FedEx comes out and guides down, you're going to come all the way back down here, and it doesn't have any support until we get back down here. It's got a pit stop at the 20-month moving average, which is a bullish support level because it's been rising in price. But remember, that's only the 20-month. What's more relevant? The 50-month is 30 months longer in price action value as a monthly average, and the 40 months is double the time limit than the 20-month. So it's all about that we've crossed over here. We're below this line as a 100-month. That means that why do trends fail at lower highs is because of what I've just said here. And we're going to be taking a look at the options expiration. If they report options expiration, we're going to do the options next because options expiration ends on September 17th and they report on September 16th. And that is the monthly moving averages, that is the monthly trend ratios, and we will be looking at what the guidances are moving forward because it's a leader in the Dow transports, and transports lead markets down and transports lead markets up, and FedEx is enough to cause the whole broader market to sell off if their growth is slowing down. That means that productivity, capital goods and services are selling at a less rate and being shipped at a less rate. SMF Street Traders, in the next video we'll move to the options.